Hello there. Today we're making egg custard pie. This has no crust. It's just the egg custard. It's very simple, easily, readily available ingredients. 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. If you can, use real vanilla, not imitation. You're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Mix the eggs, milk, and the rest of your ingredients together. Pour it. You're going to take a pie pan, butter it, sprinkle a little flour on top of it, just a little bit. Stick it in the oven for 35 minutes, I think, until it's golden brown on the top, and that should be done. Oh, 3 tablespoons of melted butter also. Try to use melted butter, not softened. I didn't have an electric mixer, so I'm using a whisk. Take a little bit longer to mix the ingredients together with a whisk. If you have an electric mixer, it makes it easier. This would be the old-fashioned way of doing it before they had electric mixers. You'd be beating on it for a while, but it still turns out good. Made this many times. The mixture's ready. Pie pan's ready. Buttered with a little bit of flour dusted on it. And then we're going to stick it in our 375 degree oven until it's golden brown, about 25 minutes. You can do these in individual cups too. I've done them both ways. This is the pie version. I've done them in individual dessert cups too, just like you would do pudding or panna cotta or any other kind of dessert like that, just a regular custard cup. Same recipe, same amount of time, same cooking. Our pie there just has to gel and cool off. It's a nice golden color. It should set good when it's cool. I just turn the oven off and I'm going to let it sit and gel. Gonna make a pot of coffee while this is cooling so I can have a little snack this afternoon. Waiting for our pie to cool off and making a pot of coffee to go with it. Like I said, you can do these in custard cups too. When you're pouring the butter in there, your melted 3 tablespoons of butter, make sure your butter isn't hot. You don't want it hot, just melted. If you put it in there hot, you're going to cook the eggs when you put it in. You don't want that. You just want it melted. Coffee, say hello to pie. Let's enjoy, guys. Should be pretty good. Turned out set right. It's got that little crust on the edge of it that I like. This is good hot or cold. I'm going to eat it hot right now and probably have some for breakfast. My wife will have some later on when she gets home. Enjoy it. Thank you.